Well, he's my best bud. I want him to be happy.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise.
I will never give him up.
Is that right, bud?
What would we do